Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal had a guest who visited him once, and he was a student of hadith. And so Imam Ahmad wanted to host him that night and allow him to spend the evening with him. And so he prepared for him a container of water so that he could do his wudu when he wants to pray at night. The next morning, Imam Ahmad came to wake him up, and he noticed that the container of water had been unmoved. He hadn't prayed at night. So Imam Ahmad rahmatullahi alayhi was shocked, and he said, Subhanallah, طالب حديث لا يكون له ورد من الليل. He said, Subhanallah, I have never seen this before. A student of hadith who does not have a portion of night prayer? A student of hadith who doesn't pray at night? And we could repeat the exact same words by saying, Subhanallah, an ISOC committee member, a FOSIS member, a masjid committee member who does not pray at night? A Muslim parent who wants to raise Muslim children who are protected from the temptations and doubtful matters out there in society, and he or she doesn't pray at night? An imam, a khatib, an attendee of a halaqah, a deliverer of a halaqah, a person who shares Islamic reminders on Facebook and does not have a portion of night prayer? Somebody who believes that the squeeze of the grave is real, and believes that he shall see the face of the angel of death, and believes on the day of judgment that will be 50,000 years long, and does not have prayer at night. How can that be? How can that be?